Crust mix and cream
filling. Woo!
This is how you stir it. That's how you get it on your fingers.
This looks pretty yummy.
You know what this reminds me
ain't
of?
Gonna lie. What?
Oreo ice cream when it's all
I
melted.
know, right?
Right?
And we are probably going to eat this whole thing.
Yes.
Between the two of us.
It looks amazing.
And whoever else wants to join. But, you know, it's just the two of us. So you can't join. But look, it looks amazing.
It looks really good.
It does.
Let's taste. Yummy.
I want to taste it. Ah.
Is it good?
That's pretty tasty. No. Huh?
I think we're done mixing. I'm going to let this get cold in the refrigerator and then I'm going to eat it. Goodbye.
Goodbye from everybody. And I don't know. But yeah. I'm bored.